Welcome back to Deck Trains, the weekly series where we look at a different train set from the collection every week. This is week 110 and it is the temporary grand finale. I have no plans for a further series at this point. May change as acquisitions come along, but at the moment, this is it, folks. My most recent acquisition, and fitting to end it on this, is the 1985 Roco Set 41203. It's a DB ice train, generation 2, 3-car set, a power car, a restaurant car, and a driving trailer. I could not resist buying it because the price was so inexpensive. It was inexpensive because it had a number of issues: burned out decoder chip, burned out circuit board, broken couplers. So after several weeks of repairs and working on it, we have a digital capable train, but we're running in DC today with a blanking plate. One of the things I also did in fixing everything was to add interior coach lighting to the restaurant car and to the driving trailer. Now I'm faced with a dilemma. It looks pretty bare inside, so I'm in the process of recreating the interior with my 3D printer. And part 2 will seem empty in this episode. We're not going to feature the track cleaning car from Fleischmann, but several different videos that I have really liked the train sets over the course of this series. So, one thing about this particular train set that we're not looking at the moment, but the ICE train set, our scale model, ran a speed of 150 kilometers per hour, that's 94 miles an hour at 50% power. And at a full 18 volts on a vintage Fleischmann transformer, it ran 198 miles per hour at full power. There are currently 5, maybe 6 generations of ICE trains that are featured at the moment in German Federal Railways. The ICE 1 went into production in 1989, the ICE 2 in 1995, the ICE 3 in 2000, the ICE T not long after that, the ICE 4 in 2010, the ICE 5 in 2019. Yes, and they are looking at the next generation of trains even now. Track improvements for the DB began in 1973, and the tracks are capable of 300 kilometers per hour, even though some of these trains are capable of speeds much beyond that. I hope you all enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed preparing these videos. Thank you for your interest, thank you for watching, and we'll see you if any come up in the near future.